Match Attacks Flow. Yo, we're gonna go with that Match Attacks Flow. 5 packs right now. And also, we're gonna look for some cards to send for grading from this Serie A. Panini Chronicles 1920. And yo, I've already checked some of the prices of them PSA cards. All I'm saying is you could hit a lot of cards to get that dough. That's right. But yo, let's kick off with that Match Attacks Flow. Let's just keep going until we can find an autograph. Hopefully we can get another limited edition. Cause yo, that last one we got, that Conte, I thought it was nothing when we got it. Turns out it was worth £25–30, yo. Anyways, we start off with Alex Collado for Barcelona. And then we got Gabriel for Benfica. And we got a backwards card, which is Dennis Zakaria for Mönchengladbach. Then we got Bruno Fernandes for Man U. Then we got a Titi Rising Star. And let's see this. We got Harry Kane. And the last card, Man of the Match, Kulaxi. Well, let's just keep going, yo. Let's get it. All I'm saying is we're looking. You know we're looking for the auto in this box. There is no auto in that box. I mean, in these packs, we're looking for auto. Stefan Savage. But in that Chronicles box, there's no autos. But you could get a patch card. Icardi. Elvedi. McTominay. Star player Jan Sommer and Ben Davies. But yo, we need to go. But yeah, in that Chronicles, we could get a few players. But what I'm really looking for is that Dejan Kulusevski from Juve. But he'll be in Parma colours. We got him before ages ago, but I sold him at the time. Yo, take that code. Start for Toni Kroos. Then we got Neymar, yo. Banger. Then we got, let's rearrange these cards. So anyways, we'll start off. We got Tammy Abraham. Then we got Ozdoev. We got backwards Davinson Sanchez. We got Man of the Match Icardi and Rising Star Gio Reyna. Yo, I only found out Claudio Reyna's his dad. He used to play for Man City. But yo, let's go with a bad boy Match Attacks Flow. Yo, it's showing the hit straight away, yo. What's going on there, yo? Anyways, we got Gnabry, Barcelona badge. We got Franco Cervi, Borussia Dortmund badge. Santos, Douglas Santos. And Chelsea defender, Tomori. And Koke. Okay, we got one last pack. Let's see if we can get something big. Come on, give me that limited edition flow. Give me something limited. Okay, that code. We got Morata, Gael Clichy. We got Rangers player, Haji. We got, I see something, Johnny Evans. Yo, let's pull the card from the back. We got Emerick Laporte. And then we'll go with this card first. Oh, Vanaken, star player. And the last card, 100 Club, Allison. It's always nice to end on 100 Club. But yo, it's time for the big boy flow. Now, those of you who don't know, I think this product is actually from some T-Mall in China or something like that. But they're sold everywhere in America, I think. But I swear I heard something about that T-Mall is in China. But anyways, let me get my skeezels. Oh shit, my skeezels are downstairs. I'm gonna have to rip it. But yo, let's go. From here we could get a Zaniolo, maybe a Tonali, maybe a Kulusevski, maybe Ronaldo, maybe a Alessandro Del Piero, yo. But let's kick it off. Let's go. We start off with Joaquin Correa. So let's open this pack, yo. I don't want to see the back. I do not want to see the back. Let's just get it. Hopefully you can get some bangers to send off to PSA, yo. So we start off with Joaquin Correa. Second card, Andrea Poli for Bologna. Lorenzo Insigne. I think I may have this one. I'm not sure. I think I do. Patrick Cutrone, former AC Milan. Yeah, Jakub Jankto. I got him from the Green Cellos. Lautaro Martinez. Pretty sure I got him as well. Samir, rookie card. And we start off with Alessandro Nesta, yo. OG Flo. Yo. I was going to take card from the back instead, but yo. Let's go. Let's drop this down. Have a look at that. Let me get that sleeved up, actually. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Still intact, still intact. Let's go. Let's get that sleeved up, yo. OG Flo. AC Milan legend. Kicked off with the Lazio. There we go. Hit number one. Alessandro Nesta. Now close my eyes so I can't see the hit, and let's bring it in. Okay, okay. We got that Nicolo Sansone. Elite. For Bologna. Then we got an XR rookie. We got that Gaetano Castrovilli. Okay, get that sleeved up. XR rookie Flo. We were looking for Kulusevski, but you never know. This guy could be just as good. It's all about getting them rookies. Let's take a look at it. Nice. Beautiful. So 2 hits out of the way. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a big Juve fan, or a big Villa fan, and a big Juve fan. And I've already sent one of these cards to PSA already. And it was a silver parallel from the cello. But now I got the red. That Mary Demirel rookie ticket, yo. Let's go. Let me get that sleeved up. Let me get that sleevey weavy. Gotta sleeve that up. Gotta sleeve that bad boy up. Let me sleeve it and top load. Sleeve and top load. Bad boy Flo, let's go, let's go. Okay, the next card, I'm gonna squint my eyes so I can't see it yet. Let's go. Upside down Flo, Gianluigi Donnarumma. Tipped to be the next Buffon before, but I'm not sure how he's going now. But extra points, red parallel. Let's go. I'll sleeve that one up after. Next card, Luca Sepitelli. Rookie card, extra points, red parallel. Okay. You know what? In fact, I'll sleeve these 2 cards up now. Then we'll go for the last last 2 cards, I think it is. But again, I'm gonna squint my eyes and I'm not gonna look. Squint my eyes and I'm not gonna look. Oh, I had a little peek. Well, let's go. Lorenzo Pellegrini, extra points. I love this guy. He's a great central midfielder. I had him on FIFA, and yo, the guy was a baller. In my FUT, I mean, he was like 79 rated, but baller, yo. And let's go for that last card now. Extra points for Hellas Verona, and it is Darko Lazovic. Okay, I got the normal base version of this card, so now I got the red parallel. You never know this guy could be that big boy Flo. But yo, that does it. Let's get these last 2 cards sleeved up, and then we'll see how we can flow from there. Okay, one more sleeve.
We're opening a new Globo gym in Mexico City. I've been boning up on my Spanish.
Okay. So, to end that, we got Alessandro Nesta. Bang. I'm going to put that in the top loader as well. Then we got that Gaetano Castrovilli for Fiorentina. That Luca Sepitelli for Cagliari. That Gianluigi Donnarumma, red parallel, extra points, AC Milan. Lorenzo Pellegrini, red parallel, extra points, Roma. And Darko Lazovic, the red parallel, Hellas Verona. And that Nicola Sansone for Bologna. But yo, oh, not to forget that red parallel, Meri Demiral. But yo, that was a great pull, and the others were, a lot of them were great too. So there's 2 that are definitely getting graded. You know what? We'll have to see about Sepitelli. I'm gonna have a look at these cards now and the Lazovic, and I'll get back to you on. Actually, what am I on about? We've definitely gotta grade this Alessandro Nesta. I mean, I've seen PSA 9s of some of these legends going for about £60–70. So if we grade this, you never know, it could get 100. But of course, it takes a while for cards to get graded. But let's go. I think these 2 are the biggest hits. That Castrovilli and that Meri Demiral. But this is my favorite. But yo, we'll be back with more flow. We actually got, where's the box now? Anyways, we've actually got a T-Mall box coming, full box with 3 mini boxes. And also some more Donruss hobby packs. But yo, we'll go maybe tomorrow with some big boy flow, or you never know, we might go later on. Let's go.